Hey babies, so I was in my kitchen. I'm about to make some green beans with turkey tails, y'all, because I was craving it with some cornbread. So I decided to share this one with you guys. So, real quickly, I'm gonna clean these turkey tails. I'm using some lime juice and vinegar. After that, I disinfected my sink so that I can move on to cleaning the green beans. While I'm cleaning my green beans, I am using a little bit of baking soda, and I'm also rinsing off some green onions because that was going to go into another dish. But in this video, I'm just showing you how I prepared my green beans. I started to cut the ends off, but you guys, it was getting a little tedious, so I decided to just start popping those ends off. Don't laugh at me, but it's just time consuming. So I decided to pop those off. Anyway, I'm gonna saute some onions at this point and then add only salt and pepper. I did lightly oil the pan with some olive oil. This part doesn't take too long. You're just gonna do it until those onions are translucent. After that, I went ahead and I put my turkey tails down in the crock pot with the green beans, and I am going to cover them with some beef broth or beef stock. You can use whatever you want to use. You can use the chicken stock or chicken broth. I've done that before as well. But you want to make sure that the meat is covered, not completely, but just a little bit. And at this point, I decided to season them up real good. All of that, as you can see, is in the caption, and I will include it in the description box below. Not too many seasonings. It's gonna cook down slow, and all those flavors and everything is gonna come together. Y'all, you will not be disappointed. It is fall off the bone good. My kids who don't even like greens were like, dang, this is really good. So you're going to cover those up. I'm still making sure that those are submerged at this point, but you're going to cover them up and set your slow cooker for about 6 hours. And then when they are just about done, you are going to pull the turkey tails out of there and shred them up and then return them back to the pot. At this point, I was adding some more broth because I didn't feel like my turkey tails were submerged enough. But you don't want to submerge them too much, like I said. I then added a few slices of butter. Please trust the process. I know something now. If you can't use butter, do not use butter. It'll still come out flavorful. I know that a lot of us have certain restrictions, so I can definitely dig that. Now, once again, after this is completely covered up and they're almost done, you want to remove that meat, shred it up, and return it back to the pot. And this is what you're going to get. I didn't make a video of it, but they were so good. Bye.